of council minutes, 2 lots, 20th of August and the 27th of August. Any amendments to those minutes, please, before I ask for a mover or a seconder? Amendment? Councillor Kirk.
Yeah, on page 4/13, under the members' reports, I just had a correction on one of my meetings that I attended. It says went on a tour hosted by the Lakes District Health Board, including a tour of Taupo Hospital. In fact, it attended Lake District Health Board Community Forum, followed by a tour of the Taupo Hospital upgrade. Thank you.
Thank you. Any further amendments? Okay, could I have a mover and a seconder, please, for those minutes? Move, Councillor Johnson. Seconded, Councillor Heckling. All those in favour?
Aye.
Any matters arising? Two sets of minutes, please. Being none, moving now to agenda item number 5. Could we do them one at a time, please? Any amendments for Titoki Gully Tree Special Committee of 4th July? Any amendments for the Mangakino Pouakani Representative Group? Taupo Airport Authority Committee, any amendments? Audit and Risk Committee, any amendments, alterations? Taupo Airport Authority, we held another one on the 9th of September. Turangi-Tongariro Community Board. Bylaws Review Special Committee. Councillor Heckling?
It's more of a comment, not a...
Want to bring it up, matters arising? Okay. Yeah. Okay, Audit and Risk Committee, I think was the last one, 20th of September.